Ara no atu ngā mahi whakapaipai kei mua I te aroaro mō te hapori o te Araroa, ki katoa ngā whare I te praki wai, kua aukati hia ngā rori, a kua ngātu ngā whānau ki ngā mahi kei mua I te aroaro. Kua mutu te wā o te urupare ohotata, a kua tīmata te wā whakaora, koe nei te kapa e whakapai ana I ngā whare.
Bad weather on the way, we're wanting to clean out all of this debris from around people's whare so that when that weather comes, I don't need to feel anxiety. This is the mental game you've got to lock in. Oh, yeah.
Nō konei a Āri o Rewi, kuraina ia ki te Araroa nei, e mōhiwana ia ki tēnei āhuatanga.
Here on the coast, because we're so isolated, when one of us are hit, we all feel it. Whatever happens to one community happens to all communities. So Tiki Tiki was badly hit during Cyclone Bola and the Mākohakoha community showed up and forced to support us then. So it's the right thing to do.
Ahakoa ngā taumahatanga o te wāhi, e hihiko tonu ana ngā wairua.
As you can see, I try to make a bridge here for my wheelbarrow, but you win some, you lose some.
Pātata ana ki ngā kaimahi whakapai whare, ko te whānau e kite ana I ngā kino o te Waipuke.
Thank you for all your help.
It's these fellows here.
I know they're wonderful. Look, I'm not going to cry. I'm not going to cry. We're lucky. We're grateful that one building's been impacted, the other two are okay. I came back yesterday and it was just like, wow. Through the fence there, so it would have come down there, gone that way and then come...
Wai mari I ahuriri kia Karen I te wā o te āwha, me tana tūmeke I tana hokinga mai ki te kāinga.
And I think that, having that there, actually saved this building because it stopped quite a few boulders and you can see all the excess dirt built up behind it. So I got to laugh because my sister's been telling her husband, get rid of it, get rid of it.
E ai kia Karen, kua tino rongo ia I te aroha.
We've still got buildings standing, we don't have to replace very much and there are a lot of people worse off than us. So be grateful, I say, be grateful forever.
Your spirits are high.
Well, because look what people are doing for us. Look what the community is doing for the community.
E ai ki ngā tohu huarere ka heke anō te ua hei te rātou. Rahia tumutumu, tai oro.